My name is Jen Zofel and I'm the resident teaching artist at Metro Theater Company. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own butterfly puppet. Here's how I did this. First, I gathered up my supplies. I had paper, a toilet paper roll, tape, scissors, and I chose markers, but you could use crayons or colored pencils, whatever you have around. After I got all my supplies, I made the design for my butterfly. So you'll see here at the bottom I drew this line after I measured out where this fit with my toilet paper roll. This is going to be the body of your butterfly. And up here I drew the wings. I decided to go with kind of a B shape, but you can really do whatever you want. One thing that was really important I found is I made this extra rectangle on each of the wings. The reason for that is it makes little tabs when you're putting your puppet together, so you don't have to lose any of your wing design. After I made the butterfly design, it was time to color it in. So you'll see here's my body and my wings. After I colored it in, I cut it out, and then it was time to put it together. I used tape to put it together, and first I taped the body of the butterfly, and afterwards you can see here on the back I put a piece of tape on one of those tabs, and then I also put a little piece of tape on top of the wing. After that, my last step was I made a little bit of a face on my butterfly, and it was ready to fly away. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you make your own butterfly puppet and share it with us. Find out how on metroplays.org. Thanks, friends.